Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here with RE/MAX Executives and welcome to Valley Gardens. We are in a fantastic location this morning. We are close to all levels of schools. We're walking distance to parks. We've got shopping nearby. Excellent location. But let's talk about the house right behind me here. 37 Hobbs Crescent. This is an amazing bungalow. We're talking 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, lots of updates with roof, windows. We've got a furnace. We've got the kitchen updated. We've got flooring updated. We've got bathrooms updated. You're gonna love this property. And the backyard, amazing. Let's go check it out. Well, just like the inside, the exterior is turnkey. We've got a fenced-in backyard here. It's perfect for young children. Maybe you have a dog. We've got a playground area, room for gardening. We've got an oversized single garage, perfect with lots of storage in there. And you got a nice long driveway, so you got room for lots of vehicles if you want to go that route. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour here of 37 Hobbs Crescent. If you're anyone you know has any questions about this property and maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. I don't know if this is designed for a guy of my weight, or sorry, my stature.
You know, this weekend I collected one of these. Kind of a big deal.
Congratulations, man.